So first, it's a great opportunity to meet with peers and to explore how to build a sustainable world by changing the way the world is powered. We are very happy this year to be on the booth with Total, our majority shareholders, as we have done for the past few years. And you know, for Total is born in the Middle East nearly 90 years ago and has developed really a special affiliation to the region through partnerships and long-term cooperation with many different countries in the regions. And so for Total, it's very important to show their commitment and to be at WFES. So this year we'll be exhibiting our C1 Oasis solution, which has specifically been developed for large power plants, and with a special focus on our new robotic cleaning solution. Cleaning is an issue in the region, and we strongly believe that having efficient cleaning solution will help reducing the cost of electricity and improving performance of solar plants. Well, first, we are very active for more than 10 years in the off-grid applications. We have more than 1,000 systems, off-grid systems running in the regions for major, very large operators such as Gasco, ADCO, Saudi Aramco, Qatar Petroleum, and many others. These systems running for many years, it's good evidence that our systems are well designed and fit with a very harsh and hot environment of the regions. This business will continue to develop. We strongly believe it's a reliable and sustainable one. Second, we have as well developed some large rooftop application in the regions. Just two examples. One in Masdar City, when on top of the Masdar City, there is a 1 megawatt sun power system operating for now many years. And another example in Chaos University. It's a university in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, where we have a system of 2 megawatt operating since 2010 to the satisfaction of the customers. And where, as well in Chaos, we have installed some R&D systems which helps us ensuring the performances of our different solutions into the specific environment of the Middle East. Third, we have the ambition to develop large projects in the regions, power plant systems, which we believe will become the main business for solar in the region. In this purpose, we intend to use our Oasis C1 solution. It's a fully integrated power block solution. We have recently started a very large power plant based upon this technology in the desert of California. This project, called California Valley Solar Ranch, features the Oasis C1 power block. It's a 250 megawatt power plant, enough to power the equivalent of 100,000 homes. Yes, definitely. We believe these objectives are realistic, and we really applaud these efforts and these ambitions. We strongly believe it's realistic because the solar irradiation in the region is abundant, and on top of that, we know that in these regions, when countries such as Saudi or such as UAE or Qatar or others decides to go into a new energy, new technologies, deploy all the necessary efforts to do so. So we are very confident it will happen, and we are very enthusiastic to be here and to be part of it. What makes our solar solution different is our superior technology. We have a unique solar technology based on what we call the back contact solutions. It helps producing much more energy by out of any square meter, out of any solar modules. And on top of that, it makes our solar solution much more reliable, performing more than 25 years and more. So our cells have an efficiency of 24%, which is up to 36% more than conventional technology. So it means that out of the same surface, we can produce 36% more energy. And our cells have been specifically designed for harsh environment and are perfectly fitted for hot temperature and the kind of climate we observe in the region. No, we believe these technologies are complementary. There will be very large projects, and considering the ambitions of the country in the region, there are enough space and enough for both technologies. Well, it's happening actually. It's happening. Solar power is now competitive against fossil fuel in many regions of the world. We have seen the recent example of Chile, where this plant of 70 megawatt awarded to Total recently, which will be built on sun power technology, is being developed without any subsidy. And it's a very good example and demonstration that in regions where the sun is abundant, solar is competitive. And the same applies to the Middle East. Well, we believe the solar technology is relatively new to the regions. People are not aware about the reliability and performances of solar systems. But actually now solar is really becoming mainstream. We have seen with, again, the example of Chile and other large power plants in the rest of the world that this technology is reliable. And we are pretty convinced that in the very near future we'll see people in the region and governments entering massively into this new energy.